Have you ever heard of a data center that functions underwater? In this digital era, Microsoft took data storage on a completely different level. With the rising importance of life online, Microsoft introduced the most time and energy-efficient data center. Called Project Natick, the idea was born out of the company's event, called the Think Week. It emphasized on the creation of a data center that could be powered by renewable energy. The center was packed inside an airtight cylinder and sunk at the bottom of the Scottish Sea.
Send the divers in.
2 years later, it was taken out. Here is what the company found. "100% of the energy was channeled using environmental sources, like the wind and solar. Data centers on land face the problem of corrosion due to oxygen and humidity. However, the underwater environment ruled out a majority of these issues. The cool temperature underwater massively helped with thermoregulation, resulting in the consumption of lesser energy. It was also found that the center remained free of threats due to natural disasters.
All right.
Orkney is a great place for this partnership because they've got renewable energy for 100% and more of their grid power.
With the success of this experiment, Microsoft has rewritten the history of data storage. It is also getting ready to deploy more data centers underwater.